College, Shornur. During this pathetic situation, 5 P's are very relevant. That is, proper planning prevents poor performance. It is a success mantra. So it's my pleasure to extend a sincere welcome to you all. Respected Chief Guest Ms. Elizabeth Jean Olivia Gagnon, Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal, our beloved Principal Dr. Sharmila PP, IQAC Coordinator Srimadi Elvin Paul, NAC Coordinator Srimadi Shibi, Moderator of this international webinar Dr. Nidhin Venugopal, our technical committee members Dr. Ranjit and Sri Gogul, teaching, non-teaching staff, faculty members of various colleges, dear students, I welcome you all to this international webinar platform organized by Shornur MPMM SNRS College. So let's enjoy this evening with us. Relax your mind, set your goals, adjust with challenges, respect with each other to be a good person. Thank you once again. Next, I would like to invite our respected principal, Dr. Sharmila ma'am, for the presidential address.
Thank you, Girija. Directly going to my job. We are very happy to organize such an event under the Career Counseling Center of MPMM SNRS College, Shornur. We all know that at this time of pandemic, we are all under different kind of tensions, conflicts, and all. And actually, we don't know how to manage it. So such sessions, such webinars, handling our planning, and also how to control our unwanted thoughts, etc., is a very good attempt. And I welcome all of you once again in the name of our college, MPMM SNRS College, Shornur, to be enriched with the knowledge of these clinical psychologists. Today we have 3 sessions, as Girija ma'am mentioned. I don't want to take much of your time, so let us go straight into the keynote addresses by these 3 well-known and renowned persons in the field of psychology. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So we move on to our first session. It's handled by a strong woman, accept both compliments and criticism, knowing that it makes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. So I proudly invite our chief guest of this function, Ms. Elizabeth ma'am. She is a well-known personality. She is published, best-selling international co-author, keynote speaker, founder, Global Peace Challenge Ambassador for Canada, creator, advocate and change maker for mental health, abuse and grief. She is the founder, creator of Miss Liz Tea Parties. It's really interesting. Tea Times and host of Tea Time with Miss Liz, making a difference 1 cup at a time. I think this is very apt for this time also. She is drinking her morning coffee at this time. Elizabeth is a survivor of extreme abuse and heart-touching grief. Elizabeth ma'am is making big changes in the world by creating magical events where people together to share their stories of trauma and triumph. Elizabeth ma'am is also the founder, creator of the Tea Bag Story Award. It's a great achievement for her. Since 2015, these events have grown and raised over $5,000 for women transition houses, sexual abuse services, etc. She was featured in Canada 150 Stories online book for overcoming disabilities and transforming back in the workplace. In 2019, Elizabeth ma'am was awarded the Sisterhood Award from Sacred Hearts Rising. The co-host of the Truth Hurts with Shadow, God and Miss Liz bring real raw truth to trauma and mental health. She was nominated for the Global Peace Ambassador Challenge 2020 for Canada, represent their country through global peace. Then Elizabeth ma'am is a strong advocate and is committed to breaking the stigma involving mental health, abuse, grief issues. It's not a complete story of her he has many achievements, but before the time limit, I can go through the complete picture of Miss Elizabeth ma'am. So on behalf of our college and all participants and my own behalf, I invite with lot of pleasure Miss Elizabeth ma'am to our international webinar. I invite you ma'am to deliver the inaugural address. It's over to you ma'am. Elizabeth ma'am. Sir.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, is this working?
Hello, ma'am. You may take, ma'am. You may take charge of the session.
Okay, where do I go for that? This one? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure where to go. Good morning, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me or see me. I'm not sure what's going on. So thank you again, Dr. Parral and Dr. Kumar, for inviting me to be a part of this. This morning, I'd like to talk to you guys about mental health and why we need to keep positive and keep our performance alive. We have to keep that fire burning step by step. At this time with the pandemic, it's really hard for everyone to just stay strong and keep moving forward, but we can all do it one step at a time. So it's like earlier she said, one cup at a time. For me, it's one step at a time. For mental health and for this webinar here, Dr. Parral and Dr. Kumar, I really am honored that you have invited me along this morning. For me, it's really early in the morning here. I know it's evening there. What I'd like to give everyone today is some motivational aspects on what to take home with you. And then once you hear the other two amazing doctors speak today, take it home and let it sit inside of you and grow from it. So how do we stay strong? I know for myself, to motivate myself, I need inspiration, I need hope, and I need belief. And during this time, during the pandemic, we are struggling with that worldwide. So I ask all of you out there this morning to just take a moment to reflect on your lives and be grateful for what you have. Take the moments. If you're struggling with your mental health, reach out, ask for help, journal, and just talk to people. You'd be surprised how many people suffer in silence with mental health, and we need to stop that. We need to get our performances a lot higher by expressing ourselves and not being ashamed of living with mental health. How do I keep my fire burning? I take one log at a time, whether it's a small log or a big log, but I take one log at a time. How do I hit my goals when the continuous loop of the pandemic is taking everyone for a side path, I just reevaluate my goals and I take different steps. So the steps that I might have wanted to take without the pandemic, I can't take now. So I look for different solutions. So a couple things that I have found that motivate me are inspirational quotes. So quotes that inspire me are, your thoughts have power. So what you think, you can change. So if you have a negative thought, you're going to stay in a negative mind frame. But if you think positive, you're going to get a positive mind frame. And your thoughts can inspire others. You can inspire others by your thoughts. Set small daily goals. Carve out time in your day for work and for your relaxation. Your relaxation is very important for your mental health. You could work, but then you can also burn yourself out. So you need to take at least 5 to 10 minutes for yourself. It's not much time, but it's time for you to recharge. Schedule virtual events with friends. Keep connected. That is one thing that is very needed right now at this time, is to stay connected during this pandemic for all of our mental health. The isolation is very hard for everyone, so we need to stay connected. So reach out, do these webinars, do new classes, do inspiring things that will make your life change. Try to put your mental health first and your wellness first over everything. Because without good mental health, you can't complete anything in life. And be okay that you're not productive as much as you used to be during the pandemic. And one thing that I am big on is hope. There is hope in this whole thing of the pandemic. There's a message for all of us during this pandemic. It's to stay strong, get connected, and slow down. So hope is the only thing stronger than fear. I'll say that again. Hope is the only thing stronger than fear. So as long as you have hope, there is no fear. And I want to thank you all this morning for having me a part of this. And I will let you take over. And again, stay strong, stay connected, and speak. Share, journal, and don't be ashamed of your mental health. Mental health is not anything to be ashamed of. You all matter, and you all can make a difference one cup at a time. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
Girija ma'am, you on your video.
Hi, brother.
Girija ma'am, Majesh.
Sorry for the sound problem. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your session. Next session is being handled by Dr. A. Dinesh Kumar. If I have to start mentioning his accolades and positions being held by him, it will take another hour. So I will only mention few of his positions and accolades. Currently, he is working as the Vice President of DK International Research Foundation, Perambalur, Tamil Nadu. He has numerous international and conference publications in his name. Member of International Human Rights Commission, Prague, Peace Ambassador for India for Global Peace Foundation, Dubai. He is a visiting professor at Madan Bhandari Memorial Academy, Nepal. Vice President for National Human Rights and Anti-Corruption Force, New Delhi. Peace Ambassador of India for Global Peace Challenge 2020. Regional Resident Consultant of India for Legacy Royce Training and Consultancy, Kuala Lumpur. Coordinator for Karnataka Book of Achievers Records. Director of Sarojini Research and Development Council, Joint Secretary of St. Martin Center for Research and Accreditation Commission, Melbourne, Australia, Project Advisor for Asian countries for IRIS Consulting Group, Poland, Regional Coordinator, Asian countries of Center for European Democracy. He is currently acting as the State President for Samasta Sahitya Academy, Anand Nagar, Maharashtra. And he's having numerous publications, both international and national, to his name, and he's in several editorial boards of publications and all. We are very privileged to have you, sir, for today's session, and we are extremely honored to have you in this webinar. Thank you, and I Now, welcome you to take charge of the session.
Okay, thank you, Professor. I don't know his name. First of all, I thank to all the college organizers to inviting me to be a chief guest of today. So, personally, I thank to Elizabeth ma'am and Dr. Parakal sir to motivate me to participate this event. So today, basically, the Elizabeth ma'am and the Parakal sir, he has belongs to the psychologists as well as they are very good consultants. But I am belongs to the corporate. So today I have to share the webinar based on my corporate knowledge. So first of all, we have to perform and we have to think about performance. So in my point of view, the performance, how we can determine the performance based on our ability and the motivation. So only our ability as well as the motivation will define our performance. So how to identify our ability? It's everyone we know ability is our aptitude, as well as what are the training and resources we are getting from the corporate or any other sources is define our ability. The next one is motivation. Motivation, everyone we know that it is very, very important. So motivation is our desire and commitment. In case of any one of the planning, the 100% motivation is there and 100% the ability is there, then surely we will achieve the goal very easily. The rarely 100% motivation is there, but few lack of the ability is there, means we have to struggle to reach the goal. In case the both two category is very low, then we can't be able to achieve the target. So how we can identify the poor performance? It's only for two things, whether lack of ability or lack of motivation. So lack of ability means already told, no. So first we can identify the lack of ability. So once we can correctly identify the lack of ability, then it will be good. In case of we have to identify the lack of ability in a negative manner, then it will be create the more problem in future. Hello. Hello.
Okay,
Hello?
sir.
Continue, sir.
Okay. So in case of the low ability, for the low ability, it may the following the few reasons. How we can identify the low ability means, if you give the over difficult task, then surely our people will not do the work. Okay. So we are giving the over difficult task as well as the lack of aptitude or skills or knowledge, as well as the lack of improvement in overtime. Okay. So in case of we are doing some research or in some works in today or tomorrow, means we have to show some little bit improvement. Okay, there is no improvement for the long time. It's also affect our ability. Then how once we are identify the ability, then how we can enhancing the ability means we have the only 5 category. As my point of view, this is not others. As per my perceptions, we have follow the 5 category. First one, resupply. Second one, retrain. Third one, refit. Fourth one, reassign. Last one, release. Then our webinar topic is 5P. Here I represent 5 R's. First one, resupply, retrain, refit, reassign, and release. What is meaning by resupply means once we are identify the people they are on lack of ability, then we can investigate how they are having the low ability like it, and we can ready to provide more sources because they don't have any ability to work with us. Then we can provide some sources, some of the trainings to them to improve their ability, as well as if they are report some of the fluctuations, as well as that they need any support, then surely we will do. Okay. So based on that, we can improvement the faculty, the employee or faculty member. Later, whether I continue?
Sir, you may continue.
Second one is retrain. So retrain means the word train is obviously the training. Okay, suppose the people is not good, they are not much ability, then we can train the people because we have the renowned resources or resource persons, professional is available all over the world. We can train the people by seminars or external courses or any other soft or any internship program. So based on that, we have to retrain the poor performance people to overcome their problems. Then third one, the refit. In case the both category resupply or retrain, the people is not up to the mark, then the third stage is refit. Okay, so because our goal is not send the people to the home, because our goal is retain the employee. At the same time, we have to meet the operational needs as well as the rewarding the work to everyone. So we can refit, we can ask the employee to give the little bit of combination of task, and we have to encourage their ability to refit our mission. So in case of they are not fit up to the level, then we can reassign the task, or we can slightly increasing the responsibility, because all in the group we cannot assigning any particular task to each and every one. Okay, they don't have any responsibilities. Commonly we can say you can try to complete this task by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. All the 10 people is simply sitting, they are not take any initiative. But we can call one person like any Dinesh, you can come tomorrow, you can complete the task. We can give some responsibility for each and every one, then slightly we can improve their ability. As well as we need to provide some technical knowledge. Whenever the people they are don't, we don't know, because all the people are technically aware or not. So we can try to develop their technical knowledge, as well as we can provide always the interpersonal skills, because day by day the culture as well as the technology is day by day improved. Okay, based on that we can develop all the people to improve their interpersonal skills. Then still all the 4 stages the people is not come, they not develop their stage, then final stage is there is no, then so surely we will send the people to the home. Why we are sending? Because I am not recommending anyone to send the home, but finally, because we are giving the sources, we are ready to give the sources, we are ready to give the seminars, have training and resources. We do always in our part, we ready to do the motivation, everything. But the people is not cooperate with us, then what will we do? Because still we are maintaining the poor performance, then we are know the other members of our team, because other members they are not like. So we have to know other members in our team, as well as we are wasting our precious time as well as the resources. Okay, so some employees they need some of the promotion, other thing and all, but the senior faculty members or any other they are not performing well, but they are sitting in the senior places, means, and then our junior, the well developed people in the junior, means they are also asking some question. So we can develop the people to do the project. We are giving the motivation, they develop the ability, but there is no improvement from the faculty side, then surely we will do something. Okay, so here I can share the few stories to conclude my speech. For example, the first story is, we can consider the 3 fish. The 3 fishes they lived in the pond. The first name is plan ahead. Then second one name is think fast. Third one name is wait and see. First fish name is plan ahead. Second one is think fast. Third one is wait and see. Then one day all the fish had the fisherman say he would be going to cast the net on tomorrow. So one day all the 3 fishes had about the fisherman, he would be going to cast his net on their pond on the next day. When suddenly the plan ahead fish said, I am swimming down through the river today night itself. The plan ahead said, I am swimming down today night to the river. Then second fish, the think fast said, I am sure I will be come with any new plan. The think fast said, I will be come with any new plan. But last, the third fish, wait and see said, I just can't do anything, still it will be very free, then it will be very lazy. And the second day, the fisherman came to the pond and he had to throw their net. Then plan ahead already, he said that he escaped from the river last night itself. But the think fast and wait and see, they caught by the fisherman. Then suddenly the think fast decided and he rolled his belly up and pardoned to the dead. Then fisherman saw the situation, the fish is no good. So said the fisherman throw from him the net. Then second the think fast also escaped from the net. The finally wait and see only going to the fish market. Likewise, our life also is there. We can always think ahead. So we can negotiate, we can reduce all our inconvenience in future. Otherwise, we can think fast on the present situation. Once we can think ahead, otherwise we can think fast in the present situations, then it will be better. Okay, so what is better, but think ahead is very, very important, but think fast is okay. But we are wait and see, like it is not possible because it is very shared. It will be go our goal or our achievement in the lower down. So don't like the wait and see fish. So we whenever you go to book, some disturbance is there, I think. Then so as far we can plan all our planning or as well as our activities like the thing ahead. I had one more experience with my colleagues. He is the Dean Academic of one of the private engineer college in Tamil Nadu. So one day I had a discussion with him and the T. Isha. He shared a few things. So one day he is the Dean Academic of engineer colleges. So around 4,000 people, 4,000 or 4,500 people is there studying under his supervision. So one day he planned to organizing the exams. Okay, he already sent all the circulars to the students. But four of his students, they went to outside from the hostel and they enjoyed well and they went to the movie, everything. They didn't study well and come back tomorrow, on the day of exam. But they get some offered, today exam, we are not prepared well, then how it is we face exam. Then all the four students, they commonly sit and they decide and they are go to meet the dean. Dean means my friend. Okay. So they explained, sir, yesterday gone out for one wedding festival. Unfortunately, our car tire is busted. So we are pushing that car up to our hostel. So we are so tired, we can't be able to prepare today exam. So kindly give some time. Also kindly apologize our mistake like that. They addressed. Then our dean also predicted they are lying. But simply, my friend, that means the dean said, okay, no problem. You can take your own time for 3 days. After the third day, you can come and reappear the retest. Okay, I will give the new question to all of them. Like that, he said, and he will send out them. Then on the third day, they are all very calm and they are all very happy because they are preparing the same subject for 3 days. So they very well prepared and they came to meet our dean. Then dean said this is the special test for because we already did the scheduled test, but at the time you are not appear. So this is the special retest for you. Each and all the four members, you can go and sit the separate classroom and I will give the question paper and you can write the question. Okay. So they are all happy because they are prepared well for the last 3 days. Then finally they are sitting in the separate room. My friend, the dean, go to the classroom. They went to the classroom and give the question to each and everyone. They asking only 2 questions. First question, name of the car. What is the name of the car? 2 marks. Which tire burst? 98 marks. You understand that? Name of the car. They are asking only 2 questions because they are already lying due to the tire burst, car tire burst. They can't be able to prepare like that. They are already lying. So that they are, my friends also asking the question like, what is the name of the car? Because all the 4 people are sitting in the different room. They are not predictor. The dean will ask this type of question in the exam. So all the 4 people, they struggle to answer because somebody they are writing Innova or any other means. There's all the 4 person answer is not same. Okay. Then second one is which tire burst? Either front left or front right or back left or back right. This question is having 98 marks. Then finally, all the 4 people they came to the dean and they are accepting their mistake and apologies. Now we can decide what the plan is good, either the student plan or the dean plan, because this is the planning we have to. All the situation with the plan ahead is not suitable for all the situation, but the current scenario we can decide, we can plan our at present situation like our dean. So this is the one of the great experience I had with the tea shop with my friend. Then finally I have to conclude my talk with the final story. So this story I had just searched on 2 days back. I searched on the Facebook. I can just saw that story. So once upon a time, one thief. Okay, he is very lazy man. He always stole some fruit from the around nearby villages or home, other thing and all. They run life very smoothly. One day he was searching somewhat to eat, but at that time there is no provision available, so he had to run to the nearby forest. There he saw one fruit farm. Okay, so he just looked around the farm. There is nobody is there. Then suddenly he decided to steal some fruits from the fruit farm. Then once they stole the fruits and he come back, at the time the farmer will come along with the stick, because also the farmer they are observing the thief. Okay, so the farmer will come towards along the thief with stick. Then the thief got afraid and run towards the fast to the forest and hide themselves. So later on, we can wait for the 30 minutes. Later on, he decide whether the farmer will not follow him. So we can move the forest, like he have to ready to start to move. At the time, he saw one wonderful scene, like there was a fox in the forest. There was a fox, but he had only 2 legs. Usually, fox having 4 legs, but unfortunately, that fox have only 2 legs. But still, they are having 2 legs, but he are loving and is very happy. But the lazy man thought, how it is possible for the fox having the only 2 legs? How he will survive in the forest? Because that fox can't run, because only 2 legs. If you have the 4 legs, then he will run. But he have only 2 legs, he can't run. At the same time, he can't able to overcome other animals threatens and other thing and all. He also very surprised. Suddenly at the moment one lion is coming towards the fox. Suddenly one towards the fox with a small piece of meat in his mouth. So suddenly the lion come towards the fox with a small piece of meat already in his mouth. All the animals run away because the lion is coming. All the animals run away. The same our lazy man also climbed up to the tree because they saved to their life. So he also climbed up on the tree. Then the fox, they are not moving because they have only 2 legs. Still is on the same place. But he think about the lazy man. They think about today the lion will attack the fox and everything is the same. But suddenly it was a surprised moment. The lion will not kill the fox. They simply left the piece because already he have some piece in mouth. So they left the piece of the meat to the fox and he have to move that place. Hello. So suddenly suddenly the lion they left out the piece of meat to the fox and move the same place. Then lazy man felt what is the God's play, because lion will not, all the thoughts are lion will come and they kill the fox, but simply the lion came and they left out the piece of food to the fox and he have to move. Okay, so now the lazy man felt what is the God play, because God already decided to give all the people for the food. Why we are stealing some other foods from the nearby people or villages, like that he had a thought and he decided to hereafter I no need to steal any. Then what the God decided for my life, I can ready to move the same line. Like then he had felt and he decided and he have to move from the forest and he got waited for around 2 days. Nobody will come and give the food to him. Then he waited for around 2 or 3 days. Finally, he could not bear the hunger and started to leave, because 2 days they didn't get any food. Then finally he get more hunger as well as he have to move, and finally again he decided to stole something from nearby places. Then suddenly on the day one old man, he came to the nearby the lazy man. Then the lazy man, the lazy man explain all those things for the past 2 days. He explained to the old man because he already went to the forest and the lion and the fox. All the story he have to explain to the old man why even the God ready to provide the food to the fast, even though they have only 2 legs. But I am a human being. Why the God will not give any food to me? Like that, we can explain that, we can argue with the old man. Then old man, first of all, the old man, they try to give some food to the lazy man. And then after completing this one, the old man just explain. So God play is very good. You are also in the plan, but God decided you are not in the fox. You try to become a lion. I think I once again repeat, because you are not in the fox, you try to become a lion. Nowadays, our people also, what is the moral of story means? Nowadays, our people also, they are doing so much of courses or any other experience, everything, but they are expecting some of the opportunity from the government or any other thing. Don't expecting more opportunity from the anywhere. You can create the opportunity to, you can give the offer to others. You can think the all over the world, most of the all the renowned millionaires or any other achievers, they will not get up, they will not go and buying any opportunity or getting, they are not bearing any opportunity, but they are all creating the opportunity to promote themselves to reach the goal. So this is what I can need to share this webinar. So once again, I thank to all the organizers like Dr. Sharmila ma'am, principal, as well as the Dr. Grija ma'am, as well as some of the organizer, Dr. Ranjit, Dr. Kogul, Dr. Nidin, as well as Dr. Sibi. So all the on-screen and off-screen members, once again, I have to thank to all for inviting me. One of the great section. I am also eagerly waiting for next. My brother section is there. I am also waiting for Dr. Parakal speech. So once again, I thank you everyone. So thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing the real picture of our life in a magical way. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you once again. Then we move on to our third session. The real magic is now coming. That is, being a good person does not depend on your religion or status in life, your race or skin color, political views or culture. It depends on how good you treat others. That is the magical person's real intro. It's none other than Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal, sir. His achievements are: Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal is a well-known consultant counseling based on Palakkad. He is a non-trainer in stress management and time management, motivation and teaching methods. He took about 14,000 plus mass counseling classes in the schools, colleges and residential associations. Established counseling in the grassroots level. That is the main important point. His works got lots of media attentions and got 60 plus awards for his honest works, including professional and charity. He got award from the Prime Ministers and trainers of trainers, and is working as a professor of counseling in various institutions and well-known consultant counseling based in Palakkad. The trainers of trainers, Government of India, Department Personnel and Training, New Delhi. The suggested member of KELSA for panel of Adalat. Assistant member as member of Lok Adalat of Honorable High Court and District Court. Then government nominated member Social Welfare District Committee. Acted as online counselor of education. State President of Charitable Organization of Kerala. District President of National Media Council. Worked as counselor of Women's Cell Police Department. District President Road Accident Forum. Approved counselor for Palakkad General Education Department. Master trainer for Excise Department, Government of Kerala. Columnist of Kerala Kaumudi newspaper, Malayala Manorama Arogyam and Aksharadeepam monthly magazine. And a patron of Kidney Federation of India Palakkad unit. Resource person for AIDS Control Society, MSME, Central Board of Workers Education, NCC and CIMAT, Government of Kerala. District President, Citizen Forum. District President of Aksharadeepam Charitable Trust. Worked as a resource person of Kerala State AIDS Control Society. Besides all these achievements, his real achievement is, I think, he is a simple and humble person. So on behalf of our college and my own behalf and all participants, I invite you, sir, and hand over this platform to you. Sir?
Good evening, my dear friends. So, Girija ma'am, I'm going to ask directly the question to you. Is it going to be a monologue session or is it going to be an interactive session? Because I'm also a professor. That's why this question is, coming. If it is a monologue session, it is going to be quite boring. So I am going to ask so many questions to you so that you will not invite me any further for any conference and any webinar. Okay.
Is an interactive session, sir. We will make it an interactive session.
Okay, you will be helping me. Okay, you will be helping me. So I'll ask so many questions to you so that, see, usually as a professor, we should have an interactive session, then it will be also very well, executed so that the real message is transmitted to the people, right, ma'am? Now, my first question is, how many minutes are more for me to finish this?
Sir, we will take up to 5:15 or 5:30, maximum 5:30.
Okay. So whether you are planned or not?
Yeah,
No,
sure, sir.
in fact, see, our session is going to be regarding the planning. That's why I asked you this crooked question. Right, ma'am? Now, see, I heard that the people should not ask the age of a lady. Am I right, ma'am? Since you
Yes.
are, my close friend, can I ask you this question? Your video is not evident. Can you ask you this question? What's your age? It's a secret?
37. No, sir, 37.
37. Okay. How many days, how many years you are expected to live, ma'am? Your video is not coming, ma'am. Anyway, how many years you are expected to live? It's very
No
interesting.
idea, sir.
You are going to live, see, my blessing is you should live up to 200 years, right? Okay, you have to live up to 200 years. But what is the average life of a human being as far as India is concerned? Any idea, ma'am? What is the average, lifespan of a human being as far as India is concerned? You know the lifespan of Kerala, you know the lifespan of Indian people? No. Shall I get you, tip to you?
No, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, are you hearing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to give you some calculations now. See, the average life is around 60 to 65 years. So let us calculate it is 60 years, man. Okay. Now my question is, when you take 3 days, right? One day you cannot do anything in your life, right?
Yeah.
Not for Girija ma'am alone. It is for applicable for Dr. Dinesh Kumar. It is also applicable for Sadhana Sajus, everybody, our principal ma'am, Elizabeth ma'am. Once we are taking 3 days, right, ma'am? One day you cannot do anything practically. What is the reason? Can you give the answer, ma'am? If you are failing, you have to give me a 5-star by courier. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me the answer, ma'am. Why? What is the reason for it? Ma'am, you are, the video is not coming.
Okay,
I don't
sir.
know what is happening. Girija ma'am, now I can see you.
Yeah.
Can I give you one clue to you?
Yes, sir.
See, 3 days means 3 into 24. Am I right? Hours.
Yeah.
Out of that, 24 hours, you cannot do anything practically.
Yes.
What is the reason? Girija ma'am, you ask the experts. They will say, huh? Pardon?
Because of my lateness.
Ma'am, I think some children are disturbing you. Am I right? Girija ma'am,
No, sir.
your video is not evident. Now I will change it to see. You can see? You can hear me?
Yeah,
When you
hear
are
me.
Yeah. Now I am asking, see, I have given you the clue again because this is very important message which first of all I want to give to the students and the youngsters. Okay. And one of
Okay.
the youngsters, Dinesh Kumar sir, our Afghanistan peace ambassador, is also joined. It is very, happy. It is really an international seminar. No doubt about that. Anyway, thankful to all, college members for organizing such a wonderful event. So, ma'am, I'm giving you the tip again. One, you are taking the 3 days, right? One day you cannot do anything practically. What is the reason, you know?
On the
sir.
day, I think we are
Shall I give you another tip? Yes, Dinesh Kumar sir is going to give you some other tips. What is the tip, sir?
not because on the day we are no more means we can't do anything. I
Oh,
think.
you are talking about the negative things. No, sir. See, Girija ma'am is going to live 200 years. See, the thing is,
No, because in our
The
life,
thing-
you are decided 3 days means in my thought. So suddenly,
yeah, sir, 3 into 24, out of that 24, hours you cannot do anything means you will have Kumbhakarna Seva. Am I right? Kumbhakarna Seva, you might have heard about that. It is, evident from Ramayana. Am I right, sir? You will be
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
sleeping
You are
always.
not audible. Audible, but not, your picture is not, face is not visible.
Is it
I
visible
can.
now?
Yeah, it's visible.
Ma'am, your face is not visible. See, I think you are having, technical difficulty. Anyway, I'll talk to the Dinesh Kumar, sir. Sir, when you are taking 3 into 24 hours, right? That
Yes,
is
sir.
3 days. 124 hours you are going to sleep. Am I right? 8 hours per day. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So if you are a mathematician, that is what I understand. Also, I know that you are a mathematician. So I am going to ask the question again, sir. Once you are sleeping 8 hours per day, if your average life is 60 years, how many years you are going to sleep? Girija ma'am?
How many years?
Yes.
Sir, it's a tricky question.
It is not a tricky question. It is very easy. Once you are, sleeping 3 into 24, when we are
20
taking
years.
24 hours, you are sleeping. Yes.
It's
Sir, 120, sir,
years,
120 days.
sir.
Sir, you can check.
120 days
For
only
example,
you are going to sleep, ma'am.
20
no,
years.
no, sir, 120
Yeah,
120 days per
somebody
year,
said 20
approximately.
years. That is the exact answer.
20.
Is it Dinesh Kumar, sir?
Yes.
8 hours
Yes,
per
sir.
day we are sleeping means 20 years we are going to
Then,
sleep.
yes,
Yes or no?
yes, yes,
So, Girija ma'am,
20.
if Dinesh Kumar sir's life is only 60 years, how many years you are going to live? It is 40 years.
What?
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Average, I am talking.
Yes, sir.
Average, I am talking. Yes or no?
yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Yes.
I agree.
Okay, sir,
Yes,
to support this 40 years of life, not the question of Dinesh Kumar, sir. I used to see at 1 o'clock also because you are not sleeping properly. That is what I am asking you. To support this
Yes.
40 years of life, 8 hours you have to work at least. Yes or no? To generate the income
Yes.
or for the students to study. Am I right, sir? So, how many years you
Yes,
are
sir.
going to work for supporting this 40 years of life? Another 20 years.
No, around again, another
So,
20
your
years.
life is only 20 years. Agreed?
Yes.
Girija ma'am, you have
Yes,
already
I agree.
lived the 38 years,
Yes.
and I think Dinesh Kumar sir age, I don't know because it is a film star's age. He never revealed me the age. So he might have, lived about 30, 35 years. So only a few years are remaining in your life. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
as
Yes.
far as a human being is concerned, this is the first message which I want to pass to the youngsters. Whenever you are losing money, it's only money, right? Whenever you are losing money, it is only money. Whenever you are losing the time, you are losing the life.
Yes.
Dinesh Kumar sir, agree or disagree with me? Girija ma'am, you are
Yes,
agreeing.
sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah, I
as
agree.
far as the youngsters
Agree, sir.
are concerned, they don't understand the value of the thing, especially the time. Time is more important than anything. We people are achieving more in our life because of our planning regarding the time. That's why we people are achieving more. Whereas other people are just working 8 hours or 7 hours or 5 hours. Rest of the time they are enjoying. They are not planning at all. So now the topic is coming. Proper planning prevents poor performance. In fact, I have written an article in Schoolmaster earlier, years back, this concept. So whenever you are losing money, it is only money. If you are losing your specs, you can buy it back. I can see a real fan is, really flying over Girija ma'am's head. If fan is having any trouble, you can buy it. If you are having some problem with the car, you can buy or repair it. But if you are losing the time, yes, you are losing the life. Time is nothing but, it is a block of our life. Yes or no? It is a block of our life. When we are just coming back and seeing our life, we should be able to see not the marks or the strains. It should be a mark, not the strain.
Yes.
So if you want to really achieve some marks in your life, see that first of all, you are planning the time in advance your life, especially the youngsters. Yesterday I had a session with somebody, the Hyderabad people. Yesterday I was talking about a certain message to the adolescent and youth. See, Girija ma'am, are you sleeping very well now? Girija ma'am?
Yeah, sir.
You are sleeping very well now?
No, sir, I am not sleeping.
No, here not. Yeah, I'm asking you whether you are sleeping or not properly.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now I want to tell you, you are sleeping properly because of only one particular reason, that during your adolescent days, during your youth days, you have planned very well and you were not sleeping properly. You were working very hard, or we call it a smart work. So planning is always important in the case of achieving anything. Not only planning for today, when you are taking care of the planning today, definitely you will be more active and you will be more able to achieve more things tomorrow, for which you should have a long vision and a mission. Am I right, sir? In our all colleges, one board will be there, vision and mission. I think Dr. Kumar's college also, that vision and mission will be there. I just want to ask you, my dear young friends, so many people are, really watching this, whether you have got any aim towards you, whether you have planned what you want to achieve, how you are going to divide your timing. Because I said, whenever you are losing money, it is only money. Whenever you are losing time, the life is lost. So plan the time. How to plan the time? First of all, the planning is very important as far as the time is concerned. Then only we are going to talk about the other planning of achievements of success and other things. Because as far as the youngsters are concerned, if they want to achieve something in their life, they have to plan really the timing. Because as we rightly discussed with the Girija ma'am as well as Dinesh Kumar sir, we could really able to understand that there are only 20 years of active life in your total lifespan. It is quite surprising. Nobody, dreamt about or this sort of information, because 8 hours you will be sleeping. You are forced to sleep, otherwise you will be in trouble. 8 hours you have to work. 8 hours only you have got the creativity, or rather the, the real working, timing is, there. So, which you have to plan in a beautiful way. So, proper planning should be made today, then only you will be able to take care of the tomorrow and the day after tomorrow and the days. So please plan the things in advance. And what is your aim in your life? What do you want to become? See, so many youngsters are, really watching this show and see our class. I want to ask you whether you have defined your aim properly, whether you have planned properly. Whether you have got a vision, whether you have got an aim, now itself you have to plan things in advance, otherwise you will be very late. So that afterwards you will say that, see, I got a lot of time, I couldn't really achieve my life thoroughly, or really able to move to the life and achieve the success thoroughly. So plan things and aim things. When you will plan and aim, you might have heard about I'm a trainer of trainers of Government of India Personnel Department. Whenever I train the trainers, I used to say that if you want to really, transmit something, if we are supposed to transmit something, if they are supposed to learn something, first of all, the concerned person or the person who wanted to learn something should have a need analysis. What is the need analysis? Why I should plan? Why I should plan the time? Why I should make, really the achievements? What is my aim? Such sort of need analysis you are supposed to make. Once you are understanding the need analysis, you will understand the value of the particular thing, so that you will have more involvement, so that you will have more planning. Girija ma'am, I think you are off, so I am asking the question again. Girija ma'am, if a person is not planning anything, what he is planning? If the person is not planning anything, what he is planning? This is a question to the youngsters. If the person is not planning anything, right? What he is
Yes,
planning?
sir.
It's a very simple
He is
message.
planning nothing.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, he is planning nothing.
He is planning nothing means he is planning for failure. Am I right?
Yes.
So if
Yes,
the
sir.
person is not having planning means he is planning for the failure. So that's why I ask all youngsters, you have to do a need analysis. Why should I plan? Why should I achieve in my life? Especially in the young days, it is a real platform so that you can really build your life thoroughly. Because if you don't plan, work properly, as Girija ma'am said, Girija ma'am is sleeping now because of only one particular reason, that she has planned what are the things to be done during the young days, adolescent days. Whereas now I could find out the change in the youth, that they are not having a plan or a vision or a aim. First of all, after this class, you plan and you make a vision and you make an aim what you want to achieve. I like to tell a real story from Mahabharata. You might have heard about the best award given to best trainer. Is, you can understand, it is an Acharya award. It is called Dronacharya award. It's a Dronacharya award. So I'm going to talk about something about the Dronacharya now. See, Dronacharya really gave so many trainings to the Kauravas and Pandavas, right? Regarding the how to, sword, use the sword, and how to give, use the various weapons and other things he has given. So finally, to check what his students really studied, this is a very important story. What his students really studied, he has done one particular thing. That is, he has made one net, artificial net, right? In that artificial net, he placed one artificial bird. He made an artificial net, and he placed in a tree. But the students he informed, right? You have to really aim it and send the arrow, okay, so that the bird should come down. The birds should really come down. But he insisted one thing. He is a real Acharya. He is a real teacher. Acharya. He communicated to the students, Kaurava and Pandava, this. What is that now? Before you are sending that arrow, you have to tell me what you are going to do. One, what you are observing or what you are focusing. Once again, I am telling you, what you are observing. Now I change the word to focusing. That is the importance of planning. If you don't have a planning, you will not be able to focus. That's why I just want to tell you the importance of focusing. So the Acharya called every one of the students, that is Kaurava and Pandavas, and he called one particular boy and asked him, you have to, really send the arrow so that the bird should come down. But before sending the arrow, you have to tell me what you are really focusing or observing or you are watching. There are particular points: seeing, watching, observing, focusing. So one particular boy communicated that, Guru, see, there is a big tree. I think the tree, there seems to be a net. I think in the net there is a bird. Guru communicated immediately because he is a very experienced mentor. Acharya. He communicated immediately. See, if you are going to send the arrow, the bird is not going to come down. Don't get dejected. You move from this side. He called second person. Second person also communicated that, yes, Guru, I am just watching the tree and there is a branch and there seems to be a net and there seems to be a bird. He said, you are also not going to achieve the goal because you are not focusing. You have not planned anything. Because you don't plan anything, because of that you don't have a focus. Because you don't have a plan, you don't have a focus. So you move. So many people said so many things. And finally one person said, I observe or I see, I observe or I see one particular branch. And there is a bird, one particular branch and there is a bird. Whether I am allowed to send the arrow? Guru said no. Then he called one particular person. This is the important message of this session. He called one particular person. He said, Guru, Acharya, Dronacharya, I am just observing. The eye, focusing the eye of the bird. He said, okay, you are the ideal person. You can send the arrow, and he was allowed to send the arrow. Finally, the bird came down or fallen. Now I want to ask the question to Girija ma'am again. She is there. Girija ma'am,
Yes,
you
sir.
might have heard about the Acharya. He is the Dronacharya. Now I want to ask you, the Drona Acharya allowed one particular student, no? Who was that particular student? That is the answer I want to ask you. Who was the particular student?
Bhishma?
Not Bhishma.
Arjuna.
Anybody else?
Arjuna.
One Yegalavian something.
Yegalavian? No, Dinesh Kumar sir.
Arjuna.
It is not Yegalavian.
Arjuna.
No. Oh, see, Karthik sir is there. Karthik sir, it is not Arjunan as far as I am concerned. You are sure, Karthik sir?
Yes, sir.
Karnan.
You sure 100%?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, his name is not Arjunan sir as far as I am concerned.
Sir, Karnan.
No. Now you are so much confused. Anyway, any guess? Anybody can participate now. Anybody can, unmute and say. I mean, the Girija ma'am went off. Huh? Dinesh Kumar sir is wanted to give some more ideas. Who is that? Karnan. No. Yegalavian, no. See, all the people should, really, only one particular person answer a little bit. I think Girija ma'am went somewhere and asked somebody the question and he is back. No, I am just asking, man. See, now our students are like that. No, they will go somewhere and ask the question. That's why I just asked you. Anyway, who is that person, Girija ma'am? Okay, now Dinesh Kumar sir is eagerly waiting the answer. Who is that person? Girija ma'am, do you know? Sudarsana Sundar, do you know the answer? Because I can see so many people here. Only one particular person partially answered. As far as I am concerned. Arjun. Sudarsana, okay. Can you unmute again so that we will have a bet? Ready? Sudarshana ma'am, can you unmute it? Shall we? But Girija ma'am should take care of the bed. Ready?
Yeah.
Girija ma'am, you know her, no? Hi, Girija ma'am is just keeping silent. She wanted to support Sudarshana ma'am. Okay, Sudarshana ma'am, so we will have a bet. Okay, a 5-star. If you are agreeing that with my story, if it is Arjun, I will send you a 5-star. If it is not, you have to get me a 5-star. Ready?
Of
I will
course,
get
sir.
you the address. Anyway,
Of course.
I want to tell him, I want to really name him as Dinesh Kumar sir, Sudarshana ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Girija ma'am. It is Vijayan. Vijayan. Yes.
Vijayan.
Do you want to add anything? If somebody is really thorough about the Mahabharata, they will not question me now. As you rightly pointed out, the
Sir, you got the
Arjunan is having 10 names, Dinesh Kumar sir. Arjunan, Falgunan, Parthan, and the fourth name is Vijayan. Vijayan.
Yes.
Vijayan means, sir, I don't know whether you will be able to understand it is a Sanskrit word. Vijayan means Dinesh Kumar sir, who is really getting the success. Right? Vijayikinnavan Aro Avan. Those who are winning, he is really the person. So Arjunan is having 10 names. I really wanted to name Arjunan as Vijayan because he is having the 10 names, out of which I selected the Vijayan. That's why I was really ready to bet with Sudarshana ma'am. As she rightly pointed out, Arjunan and Vijayan is the same person. But here the difference is, we don't want to call him Arjunan. We want to really call him Vijayan. Because of only one particular reason, he has planned, right, sir? Dinesh Kumar, sir, he has planned properly. Sudarshana ma'am, he has planned properly. He was having really the aim. This is what the youngsters should understand. Because of the need analysis, he really meant what is the aim. What is the value of the aim? What is the value of the success? So he started focusing. He focused only the particular thing. It is nothing but he aimed only one particular thing. It is nothing but the eye of the ball. So this should be, really able to develop only with the basic planning. If you want to really develop the basic planning, you first of all, you have to understand the value of the things which you are doing. When the value of the things which you are doing, your involvement will be much higher than anybody, much higher than anything. See, presently the youngsters' problem is their involvements are very less as far as the studies or something is concerned. So, studies when we are taking, as far as they are concerned, it is a hard work. But the things which we are enjoying, am I right? The things which we are enjoying, if it is, continuously, if you are doing it also, in the night also, like Dinesh Kumar wanted to achieve so many things, we used to discuss each other. He used to work continuously. As far as he is concerned, it is not a hard work because he is involving, he is understanding the value of work. So he is enjoying. So once you start involving, right, the enjoyment will be there. Once you start planning, before the planning, you should really come to the point of what need analysis. Why should I plan? Because the time is only limited. Yes or no? Only 20 years are left. As far as Dinesh Kumar is concerned, he is around 30, 35 years. I think he is now only have 45 years. Girija ma'am is also having the active life for 4 to 5 years. Let you live up to 200 years. That is something different. So plan the time. I want to give another interesting thing. Time means T, this. I means investment. Plan about the time. That's why I'm giving you the message. Time means thus. I means investment. M means makes. E means elevation. So the investment properly with the planning, if you are doing with the time, the elevation will be there. Am I right, Dinesh Kumar sir? You invested your younger days for hard work, or rather the smart work. That's why now the elevation is there. You are a professor. Now Girija ma'am is a professor. So this investment makes elevation. My dear youngsters, you have to plan things. You have to aim things. You have to focus things. If you don't invest the things properly, especially the time, another E will come in your life. It is nothing but this investment, TI, makes elimination totally from them. So the elimination should not be there. If you want to really eliminate the things which you, if you want to really waste the time without any planning, that means you are going to be eliminated from the life. Elimination is very easy to understand because it is a term used in various the talk shows and the TV shows. So elimination should not come. So you have to plan really the time first, my dear answer. See, when you are going to plan the time first, I want to ask my youngsters, more of the youngsters are there in the session. That's why just as I can understand from the name itself that the more youngsters are there. Because of their name, we can understand. Because the new era name, the old era name, see, likewise we can understand. See, Raghunath is elderly, old name. Dinesh Kumar sir is a little bit, Girija ma'am is a little bit elder name. Whereas I can see the youngsters much. So plan the time, invest the time. Time is nothing but life. Time is nothing but the life. Then today you plan certain things so that you start implementing, because you are supposed to do the need analysis, why I should do. If we as a professor, if we are communicating something, if the particular boy's need is not there, nothing Dinesh Kumar is teaching, or if I am going to teach, they are not going to understand anything because your ears are going to be blocked. So the need analysis you have to make. Why? The life should be successful. If you want to be, life should be successful, yes, you have to think and understand in the importance of the value of the time, value of the focus which you are doing. Then you can definitely plan the things in advance in such a way that you will be a real winner. Now, I would like to ask another interesting question. I have talked this session, rather in a IIT campus. Okay. Sir, to whom I can ask, Dinesh Kumar sir or Girija ma'am? Girija ma'am is again missing. She is not there. Now she is coming back. Girija ma'am, can I ask this question to you? Because I cannot ask always the chief guest. When he is meeting me, he will tease me. Why you are asking? I am a chief guest. Dinesh Kumar sir will ask me. So that's why I am asking. No, I am just joking, sir. Girija ma'am, can I ask this question?
Okay, sir. You can
okay. Ask. So I just want to ask you whether you are able to walk.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what sort of question you are asking, no? Ma'am, Dinesh Kumar sir, it's a very interesting thing which I have made in the world conference. This I had talked. Okay, Girija ma'am, you are able to walk now. Now my question is whether you are walking with conscious mind or unconscious mind or with your subconscious mind. It's a very interesting question. That's a psychological question. Girija ma'am.
Yes,
whether you are walking with conscious mind.
Yes, sir.
What is it? You are walking with conscious mind. Dinesh Kumar sir, she is saying conscious mind. You agree?
Usually conscious.
You are not hearing.
Yes,
no,
sir,
there
yes,
are
I hear.
3 types of mind available. No, you can understand, sir. One is conscious mind. Now we are in the conscious mind and we are talking each other. Am I right? So many people we are interacting in the conscious mind. Am I right, sir? When we are going just before the sleep, you can understand that it is really without our knowledge. I mean, we are going to unconscious mind. Am I right?
Yes.
There is a subconscious mind always acting in the conscious mind also. Now in the subconscious mind, it is there that I mean, not talking much, but I am there in front of, I mean, so many people. I am sitting in a chair. Likewise, subconscious mind is acting in me in the conscious mind also. Am I right? So I am just asking the question again, Girija ma'am, whether you are walking with subconscious mind or a conscious mind or with unconscious mind.
Conscious mind, sir.
Oh, you see, when you are walking, you are always concentrating everywhere? No.
No.
No, it become a rather a habit. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
See, even without, I mean, looking much with your conscious mind, you can walk, right?
Yes.
If you, with your closed eyes also, with your subconscious mind, you can move inside your room. Am I right? If the light
Yes,
is
sir.
also not there, you can, I mean, slowly going on because you know the walking. Yes or no? Walking
Yes, sir.
become a habit.
Habit.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Habits. Now it become a rather a habit which you are doing through your subconscious mind. Yes or no? But
Yes, sir.
as Girija ma'am rightly pointed out, you were doing this action as a youngster, right? As a boy or a girl of, I mean, when you started really studying walking, you were walking through the conscious mind. Agreed? Very important concept I'm going to tell you. Yes or no? I'm going
Yes, sir.
away, I mean, giving details and again, because of only one particular thing, I want to stress this point. So earlier when we started, I mean, studying walking, we were doing through the conscious mind. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now we are walking through rather 90% it is through the subconscious mind, not through the unconscious mind. So it became a habit, right?
Right.
Likewise, any successful person, okay, once he started, I mean, really the achievement and started doing certain things, okay. Earlier he was doing with conscious mind, okay. Now the youngsters should do the planning through the conscious mind and they have to achieve through the conscious mind. But once you become a master of it, a master of the planning, master of the achievements, master of the success, you need not planning it is going to be a habit. Is it interesting, ma'am? You need not plan. It will automatically will be there in your daily day-to-day activities. Dinesh Kumar sir, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
So I used to tell to everybody whenever I am taking, I mean, psychological classes, I did the second time I am passing this information, make the habit, right? Okay, make the habit will make you. Got the point? Make the habit will make you. Make the habit of planning, right? Make the habit of achievements, then habit will make you automatically. That is what I want to tell you. In advance, you have to plan things. You have to achieve things. You have to work hard or you have to do the smart work in such a way that when you started achieving so many things, the success is going to be your habit. Dinesh sir, you are agreeing or not? See, after 14, 15 years, I can see that you are really a successful person. Why? No? You are working very hard. I can really observe it. And Girija ma'am, from the interaction with me, also can understand she is a very workaholic person. Automatically, you will achieve the success in such a way that success is going to be your habit. Award winning is going to be a habit. All sort of things will come automatically to us. We need not to plan separately. We need not go for, certain things. See, as far as I am concerned, now the hard work or the planning become automatically to me. It becomes so habit. So once I get the trigger, immediately I will call and I will plan things and I will do certain things. See, when somebody is planning in advance certain things, you should understand that he can achieve more. Even if you are planning, say, a previous day, what are the things which you are supposed to do? It is observed that 30 to 40 minutes you can really save in the particular day. That is the importance of planning. So, want to tell you, my dear friends, I think my time is going to be over. I don't think Girija ma'am is going to give me more time. What I want to tell you, my dear friends, if you don't plan, you are planning for failure. So once again, I want to tell you, proper planning prevents poor performance. PPP. So it is very easy to remember. See, when I said this caption to Girija ma'am, she was absolutely smiling. And I said to her, you should not, give the detail about this. You should not give the expansion of PPP. But she wanted to give exactly the exact definition because other people will be asking, what is this PPP? So, my dear friends, PPP is always important as far as the life is concerned. I wish that you people should really enter into such a way that now I told you the last important message. I think I have communicated this message in the IIT Delhi, if I remember properly, because I'm wearing that IIT Delhi t-shirt. That's why I really immediately remembered that. I communicated this in a world seminar. Some session there. That automatically when we are planning, success will come, focus will come, the need analysis will be there, then it will become a habit of yours. Make a habit in such a way that, make the habit will make you. With that, I'm opening for, questions to be answered. Okay. Girija ma'am, any questions you might have received, you can ask me, and any crooked question, definitely I will also answer in a crooked way. Any good questions, I will also answer in a very good way. Ma'am, you can ask the questions, right? I think with correct planning, I have stopped communicated that we should enter around 5:25 or something. Now it is 5:25. So with my planning, I just concluded the session, and you can have a interaction or rather the questions to me, ma'am. Any question? Okay. Any question from the participants? They can unmute it and ask me. I can also give my number. Girija ma'am also can provide the number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any questions came in this thing, ma'am?
There is a question in the chat box, sir.
Oh.
There is any difference between smart work and hard work?
Yes, exactly. There is a difference between a hard work and
Jituram.
Jituram, I want to tell you, see, hard work means you are working hard. But there is no guarantee that there is going to be a result. You are working very hard, but there is no guarantee that you will achieve the Jituram. I can see you with very, very smart Jituram. I can see your photo. Hi, Jituram. Yes, hard work means there is no guarantee that you will achieve the result. Smart work means, yes, you can understand that you are planning in such a way, you are organizing in such a way, you are moving in such a way so that the result is there. That is called the smart work. But now the youngsters, no, they are behind. They are saying that smart work without, working hard or without doing anything, they want to achieve the result. It is not possible. Whatever you earned with a span of small time, it will go off. Whatever you earned in the long time, it will be with you. Anyway, Jituram, it's a very good question, right? I think day before yesterday, when I had a session with JCI, former national president Santosh Kumar, sir, also we were discussing about this smart work and this.
Thank you, sir,
Jituram
for
ji,
clarifying. Thank you, sir, for clarifying my doubt. It was a
yes,
wonderful
Jituram ji,
session,
what
sir.
you are doing?
I am an assistant professor in Lead College of Management, Palakkad.
Oh, very good, very good. Thomas sir, Thomason, he is generally
Yes,
known
yes,
as
yes, sir.
Thomas sir, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please convey my regards to him. We are all friends,
Yeah,
right?
sure, sure, sir. I'll convey,
Communicate my
sir.
regards. Okay.
Sure,
Jituramji,
sir.
thank you for, it's an ideal question for the youngsters,
Yeah.
right? Every people are behind now. They want to have easy money, sir. Easy food.
Yeah, as you said, hard work will become our this one. Whatever
Smart
things
work.
we are doing, that will become our routine, or that will
Yes.
be like hard work.
Sir, it should be, Jituram sir, as far as you are concerned now, you have mentioned it should be a habit of yours. That is what I want to tell you as a psychologist.
Habit. Yeah, that's
Yeah. This is a very interesting subject. Nobody might have communicated this. Make the habit will make you.
okay.
Right, sir?
Yes,
It's a
yes,
very
of course.
interesting subject, I'm telling.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for your clarification.
Oh, Jituram sir, thank you. We will meet again. Right? Keep in touch with me. Right? I'm a down-to-earth person, as Girija ma'am said.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Girija ma'am, any other question? Abhijit Siji, do you have any question? I am going to ask a question towards you. Abhijit Siji, do you have any question? See, Ajida K.
There is one question. Sir, there is one question from Karthik.
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 Yes, Karthik.
Can you tell anyone time management techniques?
Time management technique.
Yes, sir.
I communicated already one thing. That is a value, right? Involvement, right? I used to take a lot of classes regarding the time management. Value, involvement, then the application. First of all, you understand the value, then you will involve, then you will apply, then you will plan, so that there should be a proper timetable. And another tip I have given you, if you are planning the previous day in advance certain things, definitely you can save 25 to 30 minutes. It is all depending upon your value of the time, involvement of the time, inspiration of the time. Karthik ji, what you are doing, Karthik ji?
Sir, I am associate professor, sir.
Where,
Dr.
sir?
Karthik from Kalasalingam University,
Where,
Virudhunagar
sir?
district.
Where, sir?
Kalasalingam University, Virudhunagar district.
Okay, sir. One day we will come after the corona is over. Because
Yes, sir.
I want to
Welcoming,
travel along with Dinesh Kumar sir, Girija ma'am. We all people will come and have a session for your
Give
college
your
students.
contact number, sir. We will call you, sir.
Definitely, sir. So nice of you.
Commerce
Karthik,
department.
sir,
Sir.
nice of you. Keep in touch. I will get you my number also.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Karthik, sir, nice of you. Anybody else?
Another question is, sir, what are the important factors that we want to consider while planning?
See, ma'am, I think we discussed about this. First of all, we will fix the goal, right? I was talking about Arjun, Vijayan. So his goal, he already, aimed. He wanted to achieve. For that, he should have a planning. First of all, see, I just want to tell you, fix your aim. Then fix your focus on that. Based on that, you should really plan the things. See, whenever I used to take management classes, I am also a management expert. I have done my PG DMM also. And incidentally, I have done an online MBA also. Dinesh sir was I'm probably smiling from Germany. Recently, I have done an MBA also. We used to say that when you have a clear-cut planning, right? If you want to have a clear-cut planning, you should understand what you want to achieve first. So there should be a managerial planning should go inside you. As far as I am concerned, I want to tell you the answer that more than what you are talking outside, it is so important that what you are talking inside, plan, involve, and I will tell you a small sentence from my own book. See, probably our Kalamsi, I think his photo is here. Somebody gave me as an award. Might have given you dream, dream, dream. Thoughts will come so that the action will come. This poor doctor wanted to say that dreams never sleep. Dreams never sleep. This is one of my sentences from my own book. So you should have a dream in such a way that burning this should be such a way so that automatically the planning and the value will come so that you will achieve. I think the answer is clear.
Okay, sir. There is another question by Nazia.
Nasia. Hi, Nasia. Are
How
you there?
How to avoid negative thoughts and make the habit of positive thinking?
Yes. This is a very good
Sir,
question.
this is Nasia from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, Nasia. Oh, very good. It's a very glad to meet you. Somebody from Afghanistan. One of my friend, peace ambassador, is also from Afghanistan. Keep in touch with you, Nasia. What you are doing, Nasia? You are a teacher or a student?
Sir, I am studying master's degree in international relations.
Master of teaching.
G.
Okay.
No. I am a student.
You are a student. Okay. That means you are studying. Okay. Nasia, this is not an easy thing. As a psychologist, it is very easy to say to me, but it is not so easy to practice. I want to tell you, see, about your mind, right? Mind is a garden. Okay, mind is a garden, right? It is having 4 walls, okay? It is having 4 walls, okay? There is a gate to enter into the garden, okay, Nasia? Who is the gatekeeper there? That is more important. It is you, am I right?
Okay.
It is your mind, so it is the gatekeeper is you. So what are the things which you want to enter, make it a habit that it is entering into that, right? What are the things which is negative you have to really want to do? Really want to do? Right? You should shut the gate. But it is not so easy. It is very easy for the psychologist to say. Agreed? Now I will tell you some other things. There are 2 kinds of mind. One is your negative mind. Okay. We will term as a bull, right? A bull. Bull number 1. There is another bull. It is bull number 2. Okay. Bull number 1 means it is negative. Bull number 2 means it is positive. Okay. See, Nasia, certain people, what they are doing, they are always giving food to the bull number 1. Right? Got the point? So what will be happening to the bull number 1? It will grow. Where is the bull number 2 will be? I mean, reducing. No, that is the positive mind. Got the point? So where you have to give the feed to the second bull. Got the point? Always focus your abilities, right? And I want to tell you one interesting thing which I am adopting. Okay. This will give you so confident self-esteem so that you will be a very positive person. Take all the problems as an opportunity, right? Take all the problem as an opportunity and exploit. When the problems are coming, you face it. F. Then you finish it, right? In all the problem, there are some opportunities, right? If you can do this, a positive mind will come. Definitely, I'll give you more ideas when we are interacting. You can take my number also. I'll give you in the last time I will give you so that you can interact me through the WhatsApp. I'll message you, right?
Okay, sir. Thank
Nadia,
you.
nice
Thank
of
you.
you.
Yes,
Nice
yes.
of
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Great
Thank you.
talking to you. Any
Okay,
other
sir.
question? It was so interesting and amazing. No doubt about that. In Japan, the Afghanistan people, ma'am, really congratulations to the principal as well as Girija ma'am for organizing such a thing. And
Okay, sir.
great
Thank
Elizabeth
you.
ma'am was also there. Now
Yeah.
Elizabeth ma'am is really listening, right? I can really see her face photograph there.
Yes.
Any other question?
Thank you, sir. I am very much here listening to your words.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
Sharmila ma'am, our principal.
Sharmila ma'am, tell me. See, Sharmila ma'am, though I am from Balgad, I didn't get still an opportunity to talk directly to your college. One day I will come, ma'am.
So I recently came to Palakkad only on June 3rd. I'm
Okay,
basically from
where
Kannur.
basically from where you are, ma'am?
Kannur, Kannur.
Kannur. Okay, ma'am.
Born
My
and
niece.
brought up in Kannur.
Where, ma'am?
Now
Where
settled in
exactly?
Pathanamthitta. Now settled in Pathanamthitta. Born and
Okay.
brought up in
In
Kannur.
Kannur. Okay. See, I have visited Pathanamthitta and I was there in Kannur also. Recently, I came to Iriti for inaugurating a counseling center.
Okay, sir. We are
And
very much
my-
blessed to have you as a resource person.
Ma'am?
We are very much blessed to have you as a
Oh,
resource
so
person.
nice of you, ma'am. I'm down to earth person. Definitely on your call, I will come there, provided we plan in advance, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Let the corona go.
Yeah. Definitely, we'll be able to face the corona. In fact, the Girija ma'am told me you have to give some stress management related tips. So I was expecting her question because when I am deviating from the proper planning and then to stress management technique, she will screw me. So I just kept mum.
But
Next
proper
time we will have
planning
a stress
includes
management technique.
proper planning includes everything, sir, including the stress
Yes,
management.
exactly. You said it. Any other questions? Let's choose any other question? Kapita Dev? Parvati Narayan? See, usually the moderator or the speaker will not ask this kind of. Any other question? I want to motivate you so that you can ask question.
Sir, the last question from me.
Okay.
What is the meaning of personality in real life?
Ma'am, this is a very crooked question. Personality means it came from a French word, right? That means
Yes.
it's a mask you are wearing. That is really the personality. A mask. Actual emotions are not going to be, rather expressed. It is really the personality. Personally, that is the French word from which it derived. You are controlling so many emotions in such a way that you are really moving with the, in a beautiful way. I think that is the exact definition of personality and personality. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir. So, Nidin sir is here?
Nidin sir? Nidin sir
Hello?
is missing. Nidin sir
No,
is not there.
So, he
He
has
is
any network issue, our moderator.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, now
Hello,
Nidin
yes,
sir
I'm
came
here.
back.
Actually, there was some technical issue with on my side.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I can
he
understand.
is our moderator, sir. Dr. Nidin Venugopal.
Yes, Nidin sir.
Hi, sir. So it was an enlightening session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for that.
Hello.
I think, shall we conclude the session? The questions are not coming now. So I think.
Yes, so you can conclude it, sir, by saying,
Sir, there is a question. What is the steps of good personality?
It's a very interesting question, ma'am. I will I will define in a such a way. When somebody, it is my own definition. Okay. When somebody is not watching, when nobody is there, we will do certain things. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
When somebody is there and a few people are watching, we will do certain other things. But in the both occasion, if you are doing the same thing, he is a good personality. Is it interesting definition, ma'am? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Because
Hi.
Nitin sir?
Hello, you may introduce yourself and ask the question directly.
Yeah, anybody can ask. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I am
you can
hearing
go on.
you.
It's audible.
I am Ibrahim from Calicut.
Yes, Ibrahim sir. Welcome.
Okay, I have a question. I have a problem due to stage fear while I am participating in any stage program. Can you give me any suggestion to reduce that problem?
Definitely, sir. See, because I was also, shivering like anything when I started to taking the class, that too in front of 100 students, right, sir? But the thing is, first of all, we should change our attitude that we are facing the failure, right? We may have a fear that we are going to face the failure. Instead of that, you have to develop a concept that if you are performing well, then the students are going to appreciate you. Okay. So this concept is entirely different. In the problem, there is a opportunity. Got the point, sir? In the real problem, there is an opportunity. We should focus on that. Then second thing I want to tell you, sir, always practice one thing. Are you a teacher or somebody, sir?
I am teacher and doing PhD now.
Oh, very good, sir. So you have to do, because Viva and other things, a lot of things are to be, presentation will be there. So what I want to tell you, sir, you prepare your, the thesis and other things, note down certain points, sir, right? In front of the mirror, you repeat it, sir. Okay. In front of the mirror, you repeat it, sir. And you record it, sir, afterwards. Okay. Afterwards, you start talking to your family members, sir. And slow by slow, you increase to 10 to 15 people, right? Your friends and other things. If you are doing continuously, you will be a good speaker, sir. All the Napoleon, sir. Not all the Napoleon also, become into that period from a small child. Am I right, sir?
Okay, right, sir.
Yeah, Napoleon also was a small child. Me was also a small child. And I studied in our local Malayalam medium. Now I could take a lot of interesting classes internationally also. So it's all experiences is also contributing a lot for your, self-esteem. I don't want to say self-confidence. In your case, you have to develop not only the self-confidence, you have to go for the self-esteem. If, sir, if you can get my number, definitely I will have more interaction with you, sir. Calicut, I will come one day, sir. I used to come Calicut often. Right, sir? Thank you.
Can you give me your number in?
I can give the number. I think Girija ma'am can give, or I can give to everybody. Is Girija ma'am, can I give the number?
Yes, sir. It is already posted in the chat box.
It is already posted in the chat box. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, I'm a down-to-earth person. My counseling time means 6 to 9 is available throughout India. I'm doing it. I'm a Corona Warrior Award holder. So you can talk to me. In case if I'm engaged with some other activity, definitely that number will be called back. That's a guarantee.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Oh, nice of you, sir.
Thank you.
So there is one question from Ajita K. I think it's our former student. What to do if our plan does not succeed?
No, that means that is the thing. Plan does not succeed. See, the thing is, if the plan is not succeeded for the first time, definitely you have to plan for the second time and you have to achieve it. And see, people used to say you have to plan for a, hill, or you have to plan for a mountain. As far as I am concerned, you plan for a mountain, achieve the mountain, not the hill. See, people used to say you at least plan for mountain, right? You prepare for a IAS so that at least you will get the PSC. No, it is not my case. You plan for mountain. If you don't get the first time, you try again. Definitely try. You will succeed. Take the case of Abraham Lincoln. Throughout all his life, all the election, he was a failure. Finally, he got successful. That is in the president election. And he was ruling the world, because American president used to rule the world.
Okay.
Got the point? It is a
Okay,
question
sir.
of motivation yourself, man.
Okay, sir.
Ajida, what you are doing? Student?
Yeah, Ajida is here.
No.
Sir, I was former student of SM College.
Okay, now what you are doing?
I am planning to do PhD.
Do it, yeah. In what subject?
Commerce.
Commerce. We will get you so many giants. Girija ma'am can, give you so many ideas. I can also give so many ideas for, getting the guide for you, right? And best university.
Okay.
Okay, Ajida. I'll help you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm
Thank
also
you.
a professor.
Oh,
Sir, she
Okay.
cleared net and with JRF.
Yes?
She cleared net NET with JRF.
Oh, so if she is going to join with some colleges,
Yeah,
let her
please
do
try.
the PhD. Then she is already married? No.
Yes.
yes, I got married.
Okay. So get the help of your husband and the green flag so that you can move further, right? He will cooperate with you. I will motivate in case if any problems are there. Don't worry. Ajida, I am with you.
Okay, sir.
Nice of you. You are from which place?
From Sharnoor.
Swarnoor, okay. I used to come lot. Dr. Kuti is there. Another psychologist is there, Dr. Kuti.
Oh. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Ajida.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Nidin,
Shall
sir.
we conclude?
Okay. Shall we conclude the session, sir?
Okay.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a motivating session.
Yes.
May I now invite Ms. Shibi KPS to deliver a word of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. The international webinar on proper planning prevents poor performance. Simply 5 Ps of success could impart multifaceted routes for a successful outcome. It could promote the importance of planning in our day-to-day affairs. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Sharmila PP, the principal, MPMMS Centers College, Sharnoor, for her moral support and proper guidance. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the keynote speakers, Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal, consultant psychologist, Indian Association of Applied Psychologists, and Global Peace Ambassador of India, Ms. Elizabeth Jean Olivia Gagnon, advocate for abuse, grief, mental health, Cornwall, Ontario, Canada, and Dr. A. Dinesh Kumar, Global Peace Ambassador for India and Global Peace Foundation, Dubai. Thank you, Professor Raghunath Parakal. Thank you, Ms. Elizabeth Jean Olivia Gagnon. And thank you, Dr. A. Dinesh Kumar. We are really very lucky to have these resourceful personalities whose immense potentiality is really appreciable, fruitful, effective, and productive. Thank you, keynote speakers. On behalf of the Counseling Center and IQAC MPMMS Centers College, Sharnoor, I extend my sincere gratitude to all these keynote speakers. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. I express my gratitude to the IQAC coordinator, Dr. Elvin Paul Connaught. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Girija ma'am, the coordinator of Counseling Center, MPMMS Centers College, Sharnoor, for organizing an international webinar with 3 keynote speakers. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I express my sincere gratitude to the webinar team for making the webinar a reality. Thank you so much. Thank you, webinar team. And above all, you participants, your wholehearted cooperation and participation. We are really happy to know that you all very patient to listen to the words of these keynote speakers. Once again, thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again to all participants and keynote speakers. The registration form has been posted in the chat box. You can fill it to mark your register attendance, and you can receive e-certificates by filling that. Thank you. If there is any discrepancy, you can contact our mail ID. Thank you all. Thank you once again.
Yes, sir. Sir, you send me the recorded version also, Girija ma'am, and sir, please do that.
Oh,
okay?
yes, yes, sir. Sure, sure,
Okay,
sure.
you are recording anyway. I can
Yes,
send
sir.
to my students because it
Okay,
will
sir.
be motivation.
We will send
Nice
it,
of you, sir. Nice of you, every friends, and Girija ma'am for giving such an opportunity. I take leave with a threatening that we will meet again. Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank,
Thank you.
Be safe.
thank you
be
so
safe.
much. Take care. Bye, sir.
Okay. Be